Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on the 3 ways to download and play games on your Skyworth TV. Now over here I have the Skyworth Google TV, but following the same steps should actually work out for your Skyworth Android TV or your Skyworth Google TV, just like this one, any Skyworth TV you have. And without wasting much of your time, my first and easiest way to download and play games on a Skyworth TV is to get the game from the App Store or Google Play Store of your Skyworth TV. So regardless of the type of Skyworth TV you have, you want to open up the Google Play Store of your Skyworth TV. For the Skyworth Android TV, once you scroll over to the app section of the TV, you should be able to find the Google Play Store app as one of the list of apps on the TV. But for the Skyworth Google TV, just like this one, you would have to navigate to this search icon at the top of your Skyworth TV. So navigate to this app section, then proceed to come inside of this search input field and then search for Google Play Store. Once you search for Google Play Store or Google Play, then click on the search icon. This will automatically open up the Google Play Store app or Google Play Store on your Skyworth TV. You just want to navigate to the games icon at the top over here, which automatically takes you to the games section of the Google Play Store of your Skyworth TV. Now over here you're going to see tons of games you can actually download. You should be able to find racing games, fighting games, and so on. But keep in mind that while some of these games can actually be played with your Skyworth TV remote control, for some you would need a game controller or a game pad before you can actually play those games on your Skyworth TV. Now to get or download any of these games into your Skyworth TV, you just have to go ahead and select that specific game. So let's take for instance the beach buggy game. I will just have to go ahead and select it. Now for this particular game, no game controller is needed, but then if you come out of this and try to download certain games like the Horizon Chase over here, you're going to see that at the bottom a gamepad controller is actually required for you to play these kinds of games. So just go ahead and select any game of your choice. Also check if it actually requires a controller or not before you download it. Once you have your game downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here or just continue by playing the game on your Skyworth TV. And I have just finished setting up the game, as you can see, and I can actually play this game now using the navigation buttons on my remote control. So I can actually just move it around and it actually works pretty well without any problem. Another way you can get and play games on your Skyworth TV is to connect your gaming device to the TV. Now for this particular method, your gaming device can be your phone, your laptop, or PC, your PS5 or Xbox controller, whichever one you have. All you just have to do is to connect your gaming device to any of the HDMI ports on your Skyworth TV, and then you can go ahead and start up that particular game on your laptop or PC, then play it on your TV. Now with this method, because you're using a HDMI cable, which is actually a faster way of communicating between the TV and any other gaming device, your gaming experience is going to be very smooth, and you can choose to either connect a controller to your laptop or your TV and then watch your game as you play on a bigger screen. Now the last and final way to download and play games on your Skyworth TV is to simply sideload the game into your Skyworth TV. Now this is actually recommended in situations where you cannot find the specific game you want to download and play on your Skyworth TV from the Google Play Store or App Store of the TV. And to sideload any game into the Skyworth TV, you would first of all have to go over to the Google Play Store of the TV. Now once you open up the Google Play Store of your Skyworth TV, you want to proceed to search and download the app known as Downloader. So select this app, then make sure you download and install it into your Skyworth TV. Once you have it, you can set it up. The setup process is quite easy. At this point, what you want to do is to head over to the browser tab of your Downloader app. Now from this page, all you just have to do is to enter this input field and then search for the name of the game you want to download and install into your Skyworth TV by simply sideloading it, then add app APK, and you should be able to find a couple of websites where you can actually get that app's APK, then download and install it into your Skyworth TV directly from the browser tab, and from there you should now be able to play that game on your Skyworth TV without any problem. However, keep in mind that not all games that are actually sideloaded will be compatible with your Skyworth TV, so it might work for some games and it might not work for some games. But I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.